It's safe, 95% effective, and ready for final approval. That's what Pfizer and its German partner BioNTech are saying about their coronavirus vaccine, which they expect to submit to the FDA for authorization within days. In trials, the company said side effects from the vaccine were mild. Boston-based Moderna has said its vaccine, still in the final stage of trials, is also showing over 90% effectiveness. U.S. health officials said both could be rolled out as soon as next month.
By the end of December, we expect to have about 40 million doses of these two vaccines available for distribution, pending FDA authorization, enough to vaccinate about 20 million of our most vulnerable Americans, and production, of course, would continue to ramp up after that.
But President-elect Joe Biden said on Wednesday that while the vaccine news is positive, he's being hampered by Donald Trump's refusal to acknowledge his election victory or allow the Biden-Harris team access to important information about developments.
There's a whole lot of things that we just don't have available to us, which unless it's made available soon, we're going to be behind by weeks or months being able to put together the whole initiative.
Both vaccines use a new technology called messenger RNA that is being praised for how well it seems to work. Dozens of drug makers and research groups, using a variety of approaches, are racing to develop a COVID vaccine, with AstraZeneca and Johnson & Johnson also likely to release results of trials this year. It can't come soon enough, with COVID surging around the world, with the United States still the global hotspot, now averaging around 150,000 cases and over 1,000 deaths a day. Rural states are being hit particularly hard, with South Dakota and Iowa recording over 50% positivity rates, higher than New York during the peak of the pandemic in the spring. And while a vaccine appears to be closer, most experts still say it won't be widely available until early to the middle of next year. Gabriel Elizondo, Al Jazeera, New York.